Welcome back to Insights with Rob and Matt. Today, we're delving into our daily Kabbalah studies, exploring the topic of what does it mean that man's blessing is the blessing of the sons in the work? So, let's jump right in with our first insight. We start with a thought-provoking question. How do we prevent the sorrow of the Shechina? The answer lies in allowing the Creator to be revealed in our vessels through the law of equivalence of form. It's truly in our hands, a powerful realization.
When Rabash writes about being blessed through his sons, is this principle at work in the 10? Absolutely. Every spiritual action involves working on our vessels, creating space for the Creator to be revealed. A powerful concept indeed.
The idea that the sorrow of the Shechina stems from the lack of Hasidim is fascinating. This makes it impossible for her to receive the light of Chokhmah. This concept adds layers to our understanding of spiritual growth and connection.
Moving on, the transition from sorrow to joy becomes tangible as we draw closer to the Creator. The essence of our goal is to be vessels for the Creator, regardless of whether they are full or empty. A profound shift in perspective.
Discovering the deficiency in the world and the sorrow caused by the hidden Creator truly deepens our connection to the spiritual realm. It's not about what we lack, but the absence of the Creator in our lives that brings about a sense of sorrow.
The quality of Malchut, to receive in order to bestow, is crucial. Our actions as lower beings influence Malchut's desire to receive in order to bestow. It's a delicate balance of giving and receiving that drives our spiritual growth.
Exploring the difference between the system of souls and the upper system sheds light on the substance of reception. Understanding this distinction helps us grasp the flexibility of our spiritual work towards giving and receiving.
The mutual enjoyment between the Creator and created beings is a beautiful concept. The ability to bring contentment to the Creator through our actions adds depth and meaning to our spiritual journey.
Working together as a 10 to please the mother and raise man is a powerful practice. Seeking conditions from the upper one to guide us in actions of bestowal leads us closer to our goal of connecting with the Creator.
As we connect and strive to reveal the Creator in order to bring Him contentment, we contribute our 10th part to the collective account. This unity and shared intention to bestow on the Creator bring us closer to our spiritual purpose.
And there you have it. Another enlightening discussion on our daily Kabbalah studies. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking those insights. Goodbye for now. Insights, where spirituality meets practicality. Discover, learn, grow, remember, like, subscribe and share. See you in the next episode.